Let's take a closer look. Okay, so what do we have? Well, as I said earlier, we have 9.8. So if that's 9.8 here, I wonder what the other sides are. You can probably see displayed here. These little lines, you already know what they mean. Okay, so you've worked that out. This is also 9.8 because it is a square. Okay, what else can we come up with from that one piece of information? Well, we need to actually take this in 2 steps. Step number 1 is to calculate the total area of this square. And then step number 2 is to subtract or take away the area of this circle sitting snugly within it, which we're going to take away. And then we're left with the net effect, which is this purple area right here. And that's the space, and that's the outcome we're after. So let's take it in the 2 steps and work this out. Now, this is to 2 decimal places, and all units are in centimeters, and we're going to work it out, one subtracting the other. So first of all, area of a square. We already know how to do that. Area square equals side times side, and that equals 9.8 times 9.8. So the area of the square in totality in your calculator, 9.8 times 9.8 gives us 96.04 centimeters squared. Let's mark that out. There's our square. Okay, now our next task is to work out the area of the circle, but unfortunately we don't have a radius because the formula for the area of a circle, I'll just write it down. Do we have a radius? Well, let's examine what's displayed here in the diagram to find out and see if we can notice where the radius is. Well, there's no radius given, yeah? But we are given the length of each side of the square. Now, if this is 9.8 across here, many of you already look in this going, you already know where you're going with this. This is 9.8 across here. If that's 9.8, if we take that across here, that 9.8 is essentially the same as the circle's diameter, isn't it? Yeah, so the diameter is 9.8. So what's the radius from the diameter? Well, we know that half times diameter, which is 9.8, will give us the radius, won't it? So our radius will equal half of 9.8 is 4.9. So there's our diameter. Okay. We have a, sorry, that's our radius. We have our radius, we have our area of a square. Now we can substitute straight into there, can't we? So let's substitute that right over there and square the 4.9 and multiply it by pi, and we can come up with the area of this circle. So let's do that. Pi times 4.9 all squared on your calculator for the whole area of the circle will give us 75.43 centimeters squared. There's our area for our circle. Area circle. Okay. Now, it's merely a matter of having the whole square, taking away, subtracting the circle. So let's do that now. So that will be square, take away circle, and that will be the squares right here. Take away circle right over here. Subtract one from the other on the calculator will give us a grand total of 96.04. Take away 75.43. This is the purple areas right over here. The area will be 20.61 centimeters squared.
Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.